Okay, so now in this video we're going to take a look at Pacific Northwest PNW's own organic soil and mulch. Flower and vegetable raised bed soil. OMIRI listed for organic use. It does have a listed NPK rating, 0.30 for total nitrogen, with 0.05 soluble and 0.25 unsoluble. This means that it's going to have to take some time to break down before it becomes plant available. But it does have some nitrogen that's immediately plant available. 0.1 available phosphorus and 0.2 available soluble potassium. Let's take a look at the product. Now, this is another wood-based product, but it is very light, very fluffy, and this would actually probably make a good seed starting mix. It does have some perlite to help some drainage. It has a little bit of nutrients in it, so that gives you the bit of the buffer that you need when you're starting your seeds for most people. I actually like this. Now, in your garden, if you were to just use this straight, you're probably going to be disappointed without it. You know, if you just put it in and said, oh, I bought this organic soil, and if you just put it in, it has some nutrients available in it, but it's not much, and most of your annual plants are going to use it up pretty quick. So it's still going to need to be amended. I would definitely use some compost or something like that with it. Don't try to just use this straight and expect fabulous growth. Some of this nitrogen that's available in it, even though this is nice and fine and it says it's already composted wood, but I can still see some chunks of small chunks of wood and stuff in it. So there's still going to be some nitrogen that gets taken up from the decomposition as this stuff moves on, but I actually think this would probably make a very nice seed starting mix if you're into seed starting mixes. This I like. This isn't too shabby. Again, I'm just starting some cat grass. I like the texture of this. This is really nice. This is going to allow the roots to get nice and deep and stuff. It should perform pretty well.